Hello, beautiful people. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. I'm here to talk about all things money and self-development. And in today's video, we are discussing how to save money fast, even if you earn less. So whether you're looking to save up for an emergency fund, pay off some debt, or just want to get better with your finances in general, this video is perfect for you. Make sure to watch till the end, because the last tip really makes a huge difference. And it's one that not many people know. So let's jump into it. No, 1. Pay yourself first. This is the single most important thing you can do if you want to start saving money. The idea is simple. Before you pay any of your bills or do any of your regular spending, take a portion of your paycheck and put it straight into your savings account. This amount can be whatever you decide. It could be $50, $100, or maybe even more if you can swing it. But the key is to automate this so that you don't have to think about it. Set up a direct deposit from your paycheck into your savings account. That way, you'll never even see the money, so you won't be tempted to spend it. If you're able to pay yourself first, you'll be able to save up money quickly without even thinking about it. Number 2, track your expenses daily. Knowing where your money goes is essential to saving money. You need to be aware of your spending habits in order to change them. Luckily, we live in an age where technology can help us with this. There are tons of great mobile apps that can help you track your expenses automatically. All you have to do is link your bank account to the app and it will do the rest. Some popular options include Mint, Personal Capital, Rocket Money, and Truebill. I personally like to use a combination of 2 apps, which helps me keep track of my income and expenses. At the end of the day, the goal is to find an app that works for you and that you enjoy using. Otherwise, you won't stick with it. So experiment with a few different ones until you find the right fit. No. 3. Cut subscriptions you don't use. We all have those subscriptions that we don't use anymore, but we just keep paying for them because it's easy. Maybe you have a gym membership that you never go to, or a streaming service that you don't watch anymore. Whatever it is, it's time to cut the cord. Take a look at your bank statements and credit card bills and identify any recurring charges that you're not using. Then call the company and cancel your subscription. You can also set up a system to automatically cancel your subscriptions for you. There are a few services out there that do this, but I personally like to use an app. It's free to download and you can easily set up automatic cancellations for all of your subscriptions. Number 4, follow the 50-30-20 budgeting rule. This is a great way to make sure that you're spending your money wisely. The 50-30-20 budget rule is a guideline for how you should allocate your money each month. 50% of your income should go towards needs, 30% towards wants, and 20% towards savings and debt repayment. Needs are things like housing, transportation, and food. Wants are things like clothing, travel, and entertainment. And savings and debt repayment is, well, savings and debt repayment. By following this rule, you can make sure that you spending money on the things that are most important to you while still being responsible with your finances. Number 5, cook at home instead of eating out. Eating out is expensive. It's convenient, it's delicious, but it's expensive. The average American spends over $4,000 a year on eating out. That's $333 a month. That's a lot of money. The good news is that it's easy to save money on food by cooking at home. Not only will you save money, but you'll also eat healthier and you'll have more time to enjoy your meals. When you cook at home, you control the ingredients. You know exactly what you're putting into your body. Plus, you'll have more time to savor your meal without the distractions of a restaurant. Cooking at home is an easy win when it comes to saving money. So start cooking at home today and see how much money you can save. So there you have it. 5 tips on how to save money fast, even if you earn less. If you follow these tips, you'll be on your way to financial freedom in no time. Thanks for watching, and until next time, Happy saving.